Greetings to Madam, my name is Wei Sheng and my metric number is 287677. Today I am going to present about the issues which is COVID-19 pandemic and how the issue affected or changed the way event industry works, as well as the ways how to protect the event industry in the future. So first, the COVID-19 pandemic is the global health crisis that caused by the outbreak of the coronavirus disease, which is the novel coronavirus or called SARS-CoV-2. The coronavirus usually spread through people respiratory droplets and close contact with infected individuals or groups. To prevent the COVID-19 spread rapidly among the world, the government of all countries, including Malaysia, have made a quick response that they have implemented various types of measures of standard operating procedure (SOP), such as lockdowns, social distancing, and travel restrictions. All of this is to prevent the COVID-19 from spreading and protect public health from COVID-19. The COVID-19 pandemic has brought a significant challenge and issues to the event industry among the world, including Malaysia, because of events usually involve a large gathering of public in a close proximity or a crowded place. The main objective of the restriction and standard operating procedure is to minimize close physical interactions and reduce the risk of COVID-19 spread among the event attendees, staff, and the public. Next is about how the COVID-19 pandemic issues affected the event industry. The impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on the event industry in Malaysia is critical and severe. I am going to explain about the two main effects. The first effect is COVID-19 pandemic caused cancellation and postponement of events. To comply and obey with the government regulation and standard operating procedure during COVID-19 pandemics, various of events including conference, trade shows, exhibitions, concerts, festivals, and sport events were cancelled and postponed to ensuring public safety and health. Because of the uncertainty of the COVID-19 pandemic, it is very hard and challenging to plan and organize events. Due to the cancellation and postponement of events, the event industry faced and bear the financial loss due to the non-refundable deposits, contractual obligations, and lost ticket sales, which also related with the second effects. The second effect is financial and job loss. Most of the event industry heavily relies on ticket sales and sponsorship to generate revenues. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, various events were cancelled or postponed, and this affects the event industry, including the event planners, suppliers, venues, and service providers in facing the financial and job loss problem. This will affect the reducing the cash flow and revenue sources, then lead to layoff and downsizing of event industry, which will also result in job loss and economic impact for the event industry. For the suggestion on ways to protect the event industry in the future, there are two ways to safeguard the event industry in Malaysia. First is implementing forceful health and safety protocols, developing a comprehensive of health and safety guidelines suited for event industry, and the guidelines need to be carried out in aligning the government regulations and standard operating procedure to ensure public health and safety. The guidelines should be able to address aspects such as crowd management, sanitation, ventilation, capacity limitations, and contactless technologies. These protocols are crucial in conveying to attendees, vendors, and staff with a clear understanding of communication to ensure the safety of the event. The second way is diversifying the source of revenues. Except from the traditional ticket sales, other revenue sources such as seeking more sponsorships, partnerships, or collaborations with brands to generate additional revenue. Moreover, in executing hybrid or online events, the event organizer can create more sources of revenue through virtual event ticketing, pay-per-view content, virtual exhibitor showcase, and sponsor promotional package for virtual events. This diversification can help minimize the financial loss associated with low event participation and provide additional revenue during the COVID-19 pandemic. By implementing these ways and solutions, the event industry in Malaysia can enhance its resilience, adaptability, and preparedness to navigate future challenges, and also ensuring its long-term sustainability and success in the future. That's all from my presentation. Thank you.